Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be preparing a Waldorf salad for you, so I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so the first ingredient is going to be 2 apples that have been cored and diced. Okay, so I'm going to throw my apples in here. And then I have 1 cup of celery that has been diced. I have half a cup of raisins. And then these are my nuts. And so the recipe calls for walnuts, but I actually had almonds on hand. So I toasted these on a baking sheet for 12 minutes at 350 degrees. So I'm going to add those in here now. And this is supposed to be about 1/3 of a cup of the nuts. Our next ingredient is going to be 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. And I always use yogurt that has it's a non-fat yogurt, and that way it cuts down on our fat. Perfect. So we have that. And then we have lemon juice, which is going to be it's going to be 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And then it's going to be 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Okay. And the recipe calls and says to do this all in 2 bowls, but honestly, just to save time, you can use 1 bowl. There's no reason why you can't. So all you're going to do is just stir this all in. And the yogurt is basically just kind of lightly dressing this. Perfect. Okay. It smells really good from the flavor of the nuts when they've been roasted or toasted in the oven. Okay, and as you can see here is our Waldorf salad that is all ready to go. Thank you so much, and I hope everybody enjoys this at home. Have a great day, everybody.